In this video we take a look at how to use the clamshell calotte. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The clamshell calotte is an end fastener that gives a neat professional finish to our beadwork. So let's get started. The calotte is a round end cap that opens up like a clamshell, and it has a hole in the middle through which we pass our thread. It also has a loop to which we can attach our clasp. We will also be using a crimp bead. A crimp bead is a small, soft metallic bead. They're designed to be squeezed with pliers to hold our thread in place. I have my sample piece to which I'm going to attach my clasp. I threaded my needle. Now I take my calotte and I sew through the hole from the outside inwards. I pick up my crimp bead and I sew back down through the calotte and pull it tight, making sure the calotte is right next to the beadwork. I sew back down through the beadwork to help reinforce it, then sew back up through a bead through the calotte, again pulling tight, and we sew back through the crimp bead and back down through the calotte. Pulling the thread tight, I can then go back through my beadwork to make knots and cut off my yarn. I'm using a set of long nose pliers and I reach into the calotte and take hold of the crimp bead. I then squeeze the bead to flatten it out and our thread is held firmly in place. We then take our pliers and squeeze the shell of our calotte closed. Now we take our clasp and we put it on the hook of our calotte, and we take our pliers, closing the hook, and our clasp is attached to the calotte, giving our piece a professional finish.